Hello students, Namaste, how are you all? Hope all of you are well. Today we are going to discuss class 7 maths exercise 2.4 question number 3 third. In the previous video already I had explained you the two questions of question number 3, right? So today we are going to discuss question number 3 third. So let's start 6 by 13 divided by 7. So what we will do in this question, already I have told you 6 by 13 divided by 7 means 7 by 1, and I have taught you one rule. A by B by C by D is equal to A by B into D by C, right? So here what we will do, A by B by C by D means 6 by 13 divided by 7 by 1 is equal to 6 by 13 into 1 by 7. So 6 1 ja 6 and 13 7 ja 91. Got it? So this is our answer. Now the fourth question you can see here. The fourth question is 4 into 1 by 3 divided by 3. 4 into 1 by 3 divided by 3. Are you able to understand this question? First of all, what we will do? We will break the mixed fraction into the fraction, and after that we will apply the divider rule, right? So what we will do here? 4 into 3 plus 1 upon 3 divided by 3. So 4 3 are 12 1, 13 by 3 divided by 3 by 1 means 13 by 3 divided by 3 by 1. 13 by 3 into 1 by 3. So 3 3 is a 9. Right? So what will be the answer? If you want to change into the mixed fraction, 9 1 is 9, 9 4 remainder, and here 9. Got it? 1 into 4 upon 9. So this is our answer of question number 4. Are you getting or not? Actually in the previous video, if you are not able to get, then just go in the previous video of question number 7, class 7, exercise 2.4, question number 3, you will be able to understand. Now we are moving towards the question number 5. Question number 5 is 3 into 1 by 2 divided by 4. 3 into 1 by 2 divided by 4. So what we will do here? 3 into 2 plus 1 upon 2 divided by 4 upon 1. So 7 by 2 divided by 4 by 1 is equal to 7 by 2 by 4 by 1. 7 by 2 into 1 by 4. So 7 1 is 7, 4 2 is 8. Got it? And the last question is 4 into 3 by 7 divided by 7. 4 into 3 by 7 divided by 7. So directly you can see here 7 4 is 28 plus 3, 31 by 7 divided by 7 by 1 is equal to 31 by 7 into 1 by 7, 31 by 49. Got it? So you can check your answers from third to sixth, right? Third answer is 6 by 91, right? Fourth answer is 13 by 9, right? Fifth answer is 7 by 8, right? And sixth answer is 31 by 49. So we have completed our question number 3. Now we will move towards the question number 4. Please take a screenshot or write these question answers in your notebook. You can pause the video and you can write it. So let me move towards the question number 4. Question number 4 is find. You have to find the value. Same division is there. No need to be very much scared. 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. Same thing. as there were only one digit, means on previous question only numerator was there on the right side, but here numerator and denominator both are there. So no need to worry. So what are the formula? 2 by 5 into 2 by 1. Right? So 2 2 ja 4 upon 5. Got it? A by B. Remember this formula only. Okay? A by B divided by C by D. The meaning of this question is A by B upon C by D is equal to A by B into D by C. Got it? So here I have done the same thing. B question. Sorry, B not is first and second. So if you want to write the first number, so you can write here first. If you want to write the second number, you can write second. Got it? First, second. You must know the process. 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. What we will do, can you tell me? Is equal to 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 9 into 3 by 2. 3 3 ja 9. 2 2 ja 4 is equal to 2 by 3. Answer. Question number third. Third question is 3 by 7 divided by 8 by 7. Very easy. 3 by 7 divided by 8 by 7. You can directly write 3 by 7 into 7 by 8. Okay? 7 7 cancel. 3 by 8. Answer. Question number 4. 2 into 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. Divided by 3 by 5. So what you will do? 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. So 3 2 just 6 plus 1, 7 upon 3 divided by 3 by 5. So what you will write? 7 by 3 into 5 by 3. 7 5 is 35. 3 3 is 9. So if you want to change into the mixed fraction, 9 3 is 27 plus 8 35. This is the answer. Got it? Will you be able to solve rest of the questions like 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th? If you are able to solve, then you can solve this question by yourself. If you are not able to solve, then I am solving right now. You can just copy, but you should remember the process, that how I am solving the questions. Got it? So let's move towards the question number 5. What is question number 5? 3 into 1 by 2 divided by 8 by 3. 3 into 1 by 2 divided by 8 by 3. Very easy. 3 into 2 plus 1 by 2 divided by 8 by 3. 3 2 is 6 1 7 by 2 divided by 8 by 3 is equal to 7 by 2 into 3 by 8. 7 3 is 21. 8 2 is 16. If you want to convert into the mixed fraction, 16 1 is 16. 16 plus 5 21. So here 16. Right? So here this is your answer. Now sixth one. Sixth one is 2 by 5 divided by 1 into 1 by 2. 2 by 5 divided by 1 into 1 by 2. So 2 by 5. 2 1 is 2 plus 1. 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. So 2 by 5 into 2 by 3. 2 2 is 4. 5 3 is 15. 4 upon 15. Have you seen all the answers? So the first answer is 4 by 5. Second answer is 2 by 3. Right? Third answer is, what is the third answer? 3 by 8? Yes. Fourth answer, 35 by 9. Right. Fifth answer, 21 by 16. Very good. Sixth answer, 4 by 15. Very good. Now, two questions are left, 7th and 8th. Can you solve the 7th and 8th by yourself? I know that you can solve each and every question by yourself, but what I am helping you to solve and how you should solve. Got it? Have you taken screenshot? Now we are moving towards the question number 7 and 8. Only two questions are left for this program. So if you have written that or not written, not an issue. I am roughing this side. You can write that side. Now we are moving towards the question number 7 and question number 8. Can you tell me what is question number 7? Question number 7 is 3 into 1 by 5 divided by 1 into 2 by 3. 3 into 1 by 5 divided by 1 into 2 by 3. Very 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16 by 5. 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5 by 3, right? So 16 by 5 into 3 by 5. 16 3s are 48. 5 5s are 25. 25 1s are 25. And here 23. Got it? The seventh one? Have you got it or not? 48 by 25. 23 and 25, 48, right? So now we are moving the last question, question number 8. What is the question number 8? Question number 8 is 2 into 1 by 5. 2 into 1 by 5 divided by 1 into 1 by 5. 1 into 1 by 5. 5 to the 10 plus 1, 11 by 5 divided by 5 1 5 plus 1, 6 by 5. So what you will do? 11 by 5 into 5 by 6. 5 5 cancel, 11 by 6 answer. Got it? I hope all of you have understand the question number. Which question number? Exercise 2.4, question number 4. Now there will be 2.5. This was the last question of exercise 2.4. Okay? So if you have any doubt related to exercise 2.4, any of the question, then you can definitely take my help by putting your doubt into the comment box section. If you are not having any type of doubt, not an issue, you can like and subscribe my channel, or you can just put some review that how to solve this type of questions. I hope all of you are understanding about this concept. So what do you think? 2.5 should I start, or I should start in the next video? I hope that all of your answer will be that I should start in the next video, because we must not study too much in one video only, right? So we have completed our exercise 2.4. If you are having any type of doubt, any doubt, then please drop your doubt into the comment box section. Still that I am giving you 2-3 examples, means homework type questions. You have to solve this question, okay? See, as you are solving all the questions, I know very well, you are writing all the question answers or all the problems, solutions in your notebook, right? So similarly, I am going to give you some of the questions. So you have to solve that questions. So can I erase now board? I hope all of you have written. So now I am going to erase the board, and you have to just write the same question, find. What you have to find, I will write here some of the questions. Question is your same. This is your homework, okay? First one, this is your homework. First question. 7 by 8 divided by 6 by 9. Second, 2 into 4 by 6 divided by 3 into 1 by 2. Third question, 8 into 4 by 9 divided by 3 into 3 by 9. Fourth question, 7 into 4 by 6 divided by 3 into 2 by 6. Fifth question, 8 into 4 by 7 divided by 7 into 4 by 8. Got it? Have you seen all these 5 questions? Write this 5 questions in your notebook, and after writing this question, you must solve this question by yourself, because already exercise all the questions I have solved. And by the same process, you don't have to do anything else. You have to just notice the same process, and after that you have to solve all the questions by same process. A by B divided by C by D is equal to A by B into D by C. You have to use that process, and according to that process you can solve each and every sum. That's all for today. Hope all of you have enjoyed. You have written the answers in your notebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Share this video with your friends so they can be also benefited. That's all for today. Thank you. Thank you very much. Take a screenshot of homework. Have you taken? Okay, I hope all of you have taken, or you can write in your notebook also. That's all for today. Thank you. Thank you very much. Keep smiling.